Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Neo of AhhhSoNeo saying unboxing time. I've been a bit of an spree with the bandos, so I have a great one to share with you guys today, and I'm literally opening the box up for the first time today, so watch this space. I finally picked up a new bando. I shouldn't say finally because I just did an unboxing of another bando not that long ago, but this one has a bit of a story to it, but I'll just get right to it. Of course it's this, and here we go. So welcome back to my channel, guys. Hope 2021 is doing better than before, because hello, we shall not speak of that other year. Who am I? My name is Neo. This is my channel here, AhhhSoNeo, and right now I'm going through a bando phase, so bear with me. But other than that, other than Louis Vuitton bandos, I like to do unboxings. I like to do beauty, skincare, all kinds of different things. So check out more videos. Always leave a comment. I respond to every single comment, and of course subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'm really happy about this. So my second to last video, or a recent video, was an LV bando, all that straps, and I bought this bando with the all that straps BB bando, but ended up returning it because I knew I did not like the colorway, that I wanted this one, but this one was not available. And then a couple weeks ago, or a week ago, whenever it was, randomly on the Louis Vuitton website, what do I find? So what is it? What is it? Yeah, where's my receipt? That, well, I mean, you know from the thumbnail and the title that it is, of course, the Louis Vuitton 1854 bando, purchased from the website. And thankfully I got the blue one. That was the one that I wanted. I wanted the blue one. So I had bought the maroon, and I took it back. I looked at it in the store and I was like, no, I don't want this, but I got this one. So I'm going to go ahead, and this is my first official unboxing of this, so I'm super excited. I hope it looks great because I have not looked at it. I'm really happy that the ribbon looks perfect. Thank you. Finally. Doesn't always, you know, happens, but who cares? It's just a ribbon. It's going to be tossed. The last box I got, the same thing happened where I could not open it. I need a crowbar. I'm literally digging. Jeepers weepers, what is going on with these boxes? I feel weak. I work out so I can open a Louis Vuitton box. I'm in a mood today. Oh. Oh, I thought it fell apart. It's just a label here. It is the label that says how to keep it clean. It's a label that says how to keep it clean. Ah, I got my 1854. Here it is. It's the MP2827 in blue. I'm super excited, guys, because I have decided that I actually really like this 1854 print. I think it's gorgeous, and of course I love navy blue on my bandos. However, I hate fabric bags. I just hate fabric bags. I hate them. I'm really harsh on my bag, so I don't think I would be able to maintain a fabric bag, but a scarf I can handle. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes. Stunning. I wore a blue shirt specifically so I could put this on. And I'm gonna look at myself in the viewfinder. Ugh. I can never tie these, of course, but it's fun to try. Yeah, you know what I mean. I don't know how terrible. Okay, this will just have to do. This is obviously going to take some work. Yes, I'm so happy I finally picked this up. It's really, really stunning, really, really gorgeous. It's simple, and it's my favorite color because I'm a blue girl. Blue is black to me. Blue is the new black to me. Navy blue. Isn't that amazing? I think that looks amazing. I'm super excited. So that is it. That is my quick unboxing. I have one more Bandeau coming, which actually I didn't open this one because I was waiting for the other one. I thought it had been ordered. The order was placed, but it's back ordered, so I literally have no clue when I get it. And when I do get that one, because I can't wait to get that one, I will do an updated Bandeau collection, because I know I keep saying updated Bandeau collection but not putting it up. But it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. So, all right, that's it. That's it. Little short video. Yeah. Oh, when I do my updated Bandeau, I'll also show you which ones I've sold. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Remember what I always say, choose happiness, even if your nail paint is chipped. Choose happiness. It's a choice you get to make every day, every hour. It's a choice you get to make for yourself. Despite what's going on in the outside world, make the right choice for you and yours. Choose happiness.